Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to cancel Coinbase One using your Coinbase mobile application. You can cancel your Coinbase One subscription directly through your account, so here is how you can do it. Open the Coinbase application first and make sure to log into your account. After you're signed into your main homepage, click on the waffle button at the top left corner. Once you click on that, click on the Coinbase One option under Trade Crypto. On the next page, simply tap on Manage Subscription and click on Cancel Subscription. You will also need to confirm the region for cancellation and you will be able to cancel your Coinbase One subscription right from your application using mobile device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.